everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are stepping into the fragrant, lush world of greenhouse herb gardening. You might be wondering, what exactly is a greenhouse herb garden? Simply put, it is a dedicated, controlled environment designed specifically to nurture a variety of aromatic, culinary, and medicinal plants. Unlike a traditional outdoor patch that is at the mercy of the seasons, a greenhouse herb garden acts as a sanctuary where light, temperature, and humidity are managed to create a perpetual spring. It is more than just a structure. It is a bridge between nature and your kitchen, allowing you to cultivate delicate herbs that might not survive your local climate. Whether it's a large glass structure or a modest walk-in plastic house, it represents a commitment to fresh, organic living and the joy of watching life sprout under a protective canopy. The benefits of maintaining a greenhouse herb garden are truly transformative for both your kitchen and your well-being. The most immediate advantage is the extended growing season. You can harvest vibrant basil in the depths of autumn or fresh mint in early spring when the ground outside is still frozen. This consistent access to fresh produce significantly elevates the flavor of your cooking and reduces your grocery bills. Beyond the culinary perks, a greenhouse provides a pest-controlled environment, meaning your herbs are less likely to be devoured by local wildlife or damaged by harsh winds and heavy rain. From a mental health perspective, these gardens serve as a peaceful retreat. The act of tending to herbs in a warm, sun-drenched space provides a therapeutic escape that reduces stress and connects you to the rhythmic cycles of growth, regardless of the weather outside. Decorating your greenhouse is where you can truly let your Garden Decor Designs spirit shine. To make the space look beautiful, start by playing with verticality. Use tiered wooden shelving or ornate wrought iron plant stands to create layers of greenery, which makes the space feel lush and abundant. Incorporate natural textures like terracotta pots, woven seagrass baskets, and stone pathways to ground the aesthetic. Lighting is also a game changer. Consider hanging solar-powered fairy lights or vintage-style lanterns to create a magical glow during sunset. You can also add a small bistro set or a comfortable wooden bench in a corner, turning the garden into a cozy reading nook. Don't forget the small details: antique copper plant labels, a decorative watering can, and perhaps a small tabletop water fountain can add a sense of luxury and serenity to your herbal sanctuary. When selecting the best plants for your greenhouse, it is essential to group them by their moisture and sunlight needs to ensure they thrive. Basil is a greenhouse superstar because it loves the consistent warmth that a glass enclosure provides. Mediterranean herbs like rosemary, thyme, and oregano are also excellent choices. They appreciate the protection from damp winters and can grow into impressive, woody shrubs over time. Mint and lemon balm are incredibly prolific in a greenhouse, though you should keep them in pots to prevent them from taking over. For those who love unique flavors, the greenhouse is the perfect place to grow more sensitive herbs like lemongrass or stevia, which might struggle in open gardens. Finally, don't forget cilantro and parsley. These herbs tend to bolt or go to seed quickly in extreme heat, but with the filtered light and managed ventilation of a greenhouse, you can keep them lush and harvestable for much longer. Creating a greenhouse herb garden is one of the most rewarding projects any gardener can undertake. It combines the practical necessity of food production with the artistic joy of landscape design. By carefully selecting your plants and curating a beautiful environment, you aren't just growing ingredients, you are growing a lifestyle. We hope these tips inspire you to clear a corner in your greenhouse, or perhaps finally build that glass house you've been dreaming of. There is nothing quite like the scent of fresh rosemary and warm earth hitting you the moment you step through those doors. If you enjoyed this guide to greenhouse herb gardening, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiration on turning your outdoor spaces into masterpieces. Do you have a favorite herb that you can't live without? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your gardening journey. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new design tip. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.